Subway Surfers is an endless runner mobile game co-developed by Kiloo and SYBO Games, private companies based in Denmark. It is available on Android, iOS, Kindle, and Windows Phone platforms and uses the Unity game engine. In the game, players take the role of young graffiti artists who, upon being caught in the act of applying graffiti to a metro railway site, run through the railroad tracks to escape from the inspector and his dog. As they run, they grab gold coins, power-ups and other items along the way, while simultaneously dodging collisions with trains and other objects, and can also jump on top of the trains and surf with hoverboards to evade the capture until the character crashes on an obstacle, getting caught by the inspector, or getting hit by a train. Special events, such as the weekly hunt, can result in in-game rewards and characters. Subway Surfers was released on 24 May 2012 with updates based on seasonal holidays. Since January 2013, updates have been based on a world tour theme, which updates the setting of the game every 3 weeks. In 2017, Subway Surfers was the most downloaded game across the globe. In March 2018, Subway Surfers became the first game on the Google Play Store to cross the 1 billion downloads threshold. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.